Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to McCrea Heights, a small community in the greater Sudbury area of Ontario. This quiet neighborhood sits just west of the city's downtown, surrounded by forests and rolling hills. It grew in the mid-20th century as a residential area for people working in Sudbury's mining industry. The area was named after the McCrea family, who were early settlers and well known for their contributions to the local community. Over the years, McCrea Heights has kept its peaceful, close-knit feel while being only a short drive from the city's services. Today, you'll still find a slower pace of life that's hard to come by in busier places. Whether you're visiting for a drive through its quiet streets or thinking about staying a while, McCrea Heights offers a warm and relaxing escape. Thank you for joining us on this tour of McCrea Heights, Ontario. Thanks for watching.